Alright, this is my signal channel where I give signals for my VIP followers. Alright. So okay. Right, so this is what these are trades signals I gave last week. Let's look, okay, let's see. These are the signals I gave last week. Right, so from Monday, I guess, right. So you can see 23rd, right. So buy Nasdaq US 100. Nasdaq is the same thing as US 100 and NAS 100, depending on your broker, right? So this is the signal I gave on it, right? This is the chart, right? I give out even minimum loss size. I give the XL like stop losses. I give take profit 1 and take profit 2. I don't miss word, like you can see. I don't miss word, right? So this is the outcome of the trade, like you can see. I gave this trade around 3 p.m., right? So by 6:33 p.m., I gave the situation of the trade. I gave an update because TP1 was already smashed, like you can see. TP1, this is the trade, the outcome of the trade, the progress of the trade for US 100, right? On Nasdaq, you can see TP1 was smashed, right? So I updated my followers, um, tell them that if you want smash for Nasdaq US 100 or NAS 100, move XL to 15070 while we await TP2 to be smashed. So like you can see, right, we moved our XL, you can see, from the first position where it was to above entry, right? So I give update. The point is everyone has to grow together when trading with me, right? So this is when TP2 was smashed. You can see TP2 was smashed accordingly, right? You can see TP2 was smashed accordingly, right? And I also gave update on my VIP room. TP2 smashed for Nasdaq accordingly, right? You can see, right? You can see, right? So, right. I also gave a trade, like you can see. I gave a trade for GPP USD, right? GPP USD. I gave a signal for it. Sell GPP USD. Minimum loss size 0.01. Excel. I gave stop loss. I give take profit 1 and take profit 2. Right? I don't mix word. I don't mix word. I give you specific signals, specific entry level positions, right? And target positions, right? I don't mix words, right? So let's see the outcome for that. Um, right. So this is it. TP1 was smashed accordingly, like you can see. For GPP USD, TP1 smashed accordingly, right? You can see TP1 smashed accordingly, right? TP1 smashed accordingly. Move XL to 1.27042 while we are with TP2 to be smashed, right? So you can see we moved our XL below entry and accordingly, right? So you can see TP2 was also smashed. You can see GPP USD also smashed TP2 accordingly, right? So I don't mix word. I don't mix words, right? This is my signal room. This is it. I'm showing you what we did last week, right? So for this trade on Euro GPP, I'll show you the signal when I give the signal. This is right. You can see Euro GPP. You can see the signal, right? Euro GPP, buy Euro GPP, minimum loss size 0.01, right? Excel, right? Take profit 1, take profit 2. You can see the chart, you can see the targets, right? Target levels all plain. I don't miss words, like I said. I don't miss words, like you can see now. TP1 was smashed accordingly for Euro GPP, like you can see TP1 smashed accordingly. TP1 smashed for Euro GPP, move Excel to 0.85459 while we are with TP2, like you can see, right? So that is it. You can see we moved our Excel accordingly, right? And you can also see that TP2 was also smashed. Euro GPP TP2 was smashed, right? This was all last week. TP2 smashed for Euro GPP, like I said, right? You can see that, right? This is also for Chef GPP CHF, right? You can see I gave a signal sell GPP CHF, minimum lot size 0.01, XL 1, right? TP1, TP2. So you can see I don't miss word. You can see the chart. The chart is clear. The chart speaks for itself. I don't miss words, right? So, and you can see the outcome. You can see the outcome of the trade. I would show you. All right, this is the outcome of the trade. Right, this is the outcome of the trade. Right, you can see GPP CHF smash TP1, like you can see, right? And I said we should move XL to 1.1156. So I carry my um, followers along. I carry my VIP members along. I don't just give signals. My signals are accurate. I give you the direction. I give you the minimum loss so that even a newbie in the trading industry would understand. A newbie in the trading industry will understand. Like you can see, right? This is TP1 already smashed and price was moved at TP2 by the time I give this update, right? You can see, and when I'm giving my update after TP1 is smashed, I also give an update that we should move our Excel below entry, right? So you can see the trades accordingly, right? I carry my trainees along, like you can see the signals I have been given. These are signals we took last week. You can see they are, you can see that it's combination of currencies, indices, stocks, and co. So for the fee, what you pay, um, the signal fee, you get everything, right? For the signal fee, you get everything. You get the you get the signals for all of it, all of what I trade, right? I do not hide signals. Whatever I trade, I share with all of my followers, with all of my signal followers. Like you can see, whatever I trade now in this case, right? I gave a signal for jump 10 index, right? So minimum loss size 0.01, right? Like you can see, minimum loss size 0.01, and you can see, right, this is the outcome of it, right? TP1, TP2 smashed accordingly, right? TP1, TP2 smashed accordingly. I don't miss words. This is also volatility 10 index, minimum loss size 0.3. I gave stop loss, I gave TP1, TP2, right? This is the outcome. TP1 was smashed, right? And you can see accordingly TP2 was smashed. We don't miss words. I don't miss words, right? I don't miss words when I'm giving trading entries, right? I it's very possible to know the direction in as much as you have the skill set, right? So I've taken time to acquire the skill, right? So I grow with my signal team. I grow with my signal team members, right? You can say I also give, this is for today, I guess this is for today jump. This is jump 75 index, right? These are XL. This is stop loss TP1, TP2. And you can see that TP1 was already smashed accordingly, right? TP1 already smashed accordingly, right? So um, we are holding. So it depends on what you want to trade. For me, I trade everything. I'm a how do I put it? I better call myself a market chart hustler. Right? I trade the capital market. I trade both stock. I trade both indices. I trade Nasdaq. I trade commodities. I trade gold. I trade um, oil. Right. So this is our activities so far for last week, and I can go on and show you the activities for the month, the entire month. Like you can see, right? I have been we've been killing the market together with my entire team, right? My entire team, right? I give signals for all. Like this is NZD USD, right? This is NZD USD, right? Like you can see, NZD USD, right? And see, we don't I give direction. I know, I at least I do my best, right? I do my best, right, when it comes to the industry. Right, I do my best when it comes to the industry. Right, this is AUD CHF. Right, so I do my best when it comes to the industry. This is US 100, US 100. Right, so um, depends on what you want to trade. But for me, I give one for the signal fee. I give you signals for everything I trade, be it Nasdaq, be it gold, be it oil, be it gas, natural gas, be it Bitcoin, USD, whatever indices, whatever. Like you can see, this is for gold. This is for gold. I gave this signal for gold. I give this signal for gold. Right. You can see sell gold. You can see sell XAU USD, which is gold. Minimum loss size. I give minimum loss size. Stop loss TP1, TP2 accordingly, right? And this is the outcome. This is the outcome. The outcome. TP1 was smashed already successfully, right? TP1 was smashed accordingly, and you can see TP2 was also smashed accordingly. So we don't mix word. TP2 was also smashed accordingly. You can see TP2 smashed accordingly, right? So that is how I trade. That is how I trade. This is how I trade. If your whatever you're trading, your trader, currencies, stock, gold, I trade all, and I give my members signals for all of it. I give my members signals for all of it. Like you can see, we've been milking the market together. So that is just how I work. That is just how I work. Right. So I can go on and on. I can go on and on. I've been running the signal group for very long. So like you can see, this is for this is for GPP card, right? GPP card. You can see the outcome. GPP card, right? So I did trade, I swing trade, we do everything together, right? So you can see what we've been doing together with the team. So we don't mix word. This is it. What we've been doing together, right? So I just show my carry my signal followers along. I carry my signal team along, right? Carry my signal team along, and yeah, a lot of them have been giving testimonies, right? I can look for some of their screenshots because most times I post screenshots of results, right? Post screenshots of their results accordingly. I wouldn't want to make this video long, but let me see if I can find one of the screenshots few of them, from few of them, right? So everyone is winning from this side, right? Everyone is winning from this side. Okay, right. I guess these are some screenshots from my Signal members, right? Screenshot from Signal members, right? So you can see this guy, right? He said, "Thanks, boss. Here is it. I'm holding as instructed." Right? So people are actually, we're all winning together from this side. Right? So thank you.